Do you know why twins baby born and why do twins baby look like same? There are millions of people around the world want to know this mystery. Most probably the same question in your mind, because the twin baby is not uncommon. The science-based explanation of having twins is also very surprising. However, in many cases, twin baby born due to genetics. However, it is never possible to have twins intentionally or by any treatment. There are a lot of people doesn't know about twin baby scientific explanation. So today in this video I will show you why and how are twins baby born, and how do you know without a test if you have twins. So welcome to today's new episode. Why and how are twins born? The female body usually have 2 ovaries. But from the 2 ovaries, only 1 egg can be at the same time. But if 2 eggs is released from each ovaries at the same time, then 2 eggs prepare during ovulation period. When they mated at this time, the male sperm fertilizes both of the eggs. These fertilized eggs first divide into 2 separate cells. The next time a baby is born from each cell. So it creates 2 babies at the same time. But why do twins usually look like the same? Here, 1 cell turns into 2 cells, so all of their genetics are the same. That's why they look like same and same gender. This is how a twin baby is born. How do you know if you have twins without a test? If you have twins, you can easily imagine with some common symptoms, such as if the health condition become very bad, then it can be twin. At the same time, if the size of abdomen during pregnancy is much higher than normal, you can also find out with ultrasound test. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.